Picture this: jumping off a pier and just staying down there, cruising through kelp forests like a superhero with gills. No scuba tank, no holding breath, just breathing like it's a normal Tuesday underwater. What would life look like if humans could breathe underwater like dolphins do? First twist: dolphins don't actually breathe underwater. They're mammals with lungs, not gills, and they have to surface for air using a blowhole on top of their head. So if humans breathed like dolphins, that would mean breath-holding champs with super oxygen tricks, not fish-style gills. Let's give humans those dolphin upgrades and see what breaks first. Upgrade 1. The mammalian dive reflex. Dolphins slow their heart rate, shunt blood from arms and legs, and save oxygen for the brain and heart. Humans have a weaker version, but it's real. Cold water on the face flips the body into low-power mode. With a dolphin-level reflex, everyday swims could feel like switching to battery saver. Upgrade 2. Oxygen hoarding. Marine mammals carry more blood, more hemoglobin, and big oxygen-storing muscles. Give humans that package, and suddenly 3-minute dives become 20. Work meetings would move to the pool, and freediving would be more like free living. Stick figure connected to a bulky backpack, liquid breathing rig, hose to mouth, visible heavy fluid waves in transparent helmet. What breaks society? Sports explode. Underwater marathons, coral parkour, and kelp mazes become Saturday plans. Wide city shoreline split. Above water street with people, below water seagrass, roads with stick figures swimming purposefully. Work moves underwater. Welders, farmers, archaeologists spend entire shifts submerged, surfacing on a schedule like marine buses. Montage. Underwater marathon line of stick figures, one hopping across coral parkour, another navigating a kelp maze with playful pose. Design changes. Homes add breathing pools and roof blowhole vents for the upgraded airway. Helmets? Optional. Head snoots? Mandatory. Two-panel comparison. Left a fish with big gill slits in dense water, right a confused stick figure with tiny gill slits struggling to extract oxygen. Climax. Here's the surprise. Even if humans breathed like dolphins, the ocean still demands pit stops at the surface. The magic isn't underwater breathing, it's underwater endurance. With dolphin-grade reflexes, blood chemistry, and airway design, humans could dive longer, deeper, and safer, turning cities into two-level worlds, streets above, seagrass highways below. But to breathe, still need air, unless a clunky, liquid-breathing suit tags along. Underwater work vignette trio, welder with sparks, tiny orange, farmer guiding sea rows, archaeologist brushing a sunken pot, surface buoys overhead. Risks stick around. Decompression issues, nitrogen management, and pressure effects still matter, which is why marine mammals have clever lung collapse and gas exchange tricks to avoid gas bubbles. Humans would need selective gas exchange like dolphins to dodge the fizzy soda problem. House cutaway. Living room with an indoor pool connected to a roof, blowhole vent, stick family peeking heads up through roof opening. Wrap up. So the honest answer? Humans can't just flip a switch and breathe underwater like it's air. Dolphins don't either. They're elite breath holders with smart plumbing and power-saving mode. The closest path for humans is better physiology for long dives or tech-assisted liquid breathing, but both come with big trade-offs in energy and CO2 removal. Still, a world of hour-long dives without tanks? That's closer than gills, and just weird enough to be amazing. Pressure decompression metaphor. Stick diver as a soda bottle being opened, tiny bubbles around joints. Nearby dolphin silhouette calmly descending. Call to action. If this made the ocean feel a little more like space with better snacks, hit like, drop a Team Blowhole or Team Gills in the comments, and subscribe for more curious what-ifs that splash science on big ideas. See you at the surface. Final thought. Stick figure seated on seabed, peacefully watching fish. Small portable device nearby. A distant ladder to the surface.